How to manage scheduled call notifications on Skype mobile. Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to manage scheduled calls notifications on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here and then click this one, settings, and then click notifications, this one. And now all you need to do is just find this one here, scheduled call notifications, and just click on it if you want to turn it off, and click on it again. And as you see, that's how many scheduled call notifications on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.